This beautiful tree, is known as Cootamundra Wattle. It's an old tree and it has split and fallen over, and getting borer and things, which make great tucker for your cockatoos. However, the seeds, the pea-like seed pods that form following the flowers contain small seeds that are great tucker, great source of food for your sulphur-crested cockatoos, your corellas, your galahs and other parrots. So this is a beautiful tree to grow in your garden, and when it's seeding, collect the seed pods and share them with your birds. They will enjoy them.